चलो बात करता हूँ आज रात को. Hello kids, how are you? So guys, enroll yourself for compete. It's a very good way to know where you stand. You can compete with all the learners. Enroll for All India Test Series of Unacademy, PCM mock test, JEE mains pattern and detailed analysis along with solutions. Crash course starting from November 24th. Okay, try this question now. K is equal to 5. So there is this parabola x square equal to 4y and there is a circle which touches this parabola at a point 6 comma 9, and it also passes through the focus of this parabola. So what is the focus of this parabola? 0 comma 1. So what should we do when a curve circle touches another curve? Treat it that it is touching this tangent. So what is tangent at 6 comma 9? What is tangent at 6 comma 9? X x1 minus 2 times y plus 9 equal to 0. So this is the tangent. So the circle is effectively touching this line, which is this is that line which the circle is touching. Now we can find the equation of the circle using point circle. So this is the equation of circle using point circle and the tangent, and it passes through 0 comma 1. So we can find lambda. So lambda is equal to 5. So we have obtained the circle. Now we can find radius. Now we can find radius. Solvable? Yes, we'll use family. See, this is a very pretty standard concept. If there is a curve and a circle is touching this curve at certain point, and this point is given, so what we should do is forget about the curve, find the tangent and create family using point circle at the at P. 2 lambda, just like you can also use mu. Instead of 2 lambda, you can keep mu also. You will get 10 only here. Lambda comes out to be 5. If you will keep, instead of 2 lambda, if you will keep just mu, mu will come out to be 10. Ultimately, the equation is the same. Okay, now solve this. That also you can do, Aditya Bats. Now what is happening in this question? From the vertex two perpendicular chords are drawn, and with these chords at adjacent sides a rectangle is made. Oh, how cool. Then locus of the further angle. We want locus of this point, P. So let this be H comma K. See, the language is not that good further angle, but it is of course self-explanatory that it will ask only this point, because this is vertex, this is on parabola, this is on parabola, so it will definitely ask for this one only, right? So sometimes we have to use common sense. We cannot say that the language is not good, so I'll not solve. 80 square comma 280, and this is 82 square comma 282. So H will be 80 square plus 82 square, and K will be 280 plus 282. Now we have to eliminate T and T2. We have to eliminate T and T2. Is there any relation between T and T2? Yes. They are subtending 90 degree at the vertex. So T1, T2 should be minus 4. That is the relation we have. So using these three relations, we have to eliminate T1 and T2. We can very easily do it. Proceed. See what is the answer. How? This is a parallelogram. Fourth vertex of parallelogram is add the adjacent, subtract the opposite. How do you get fourth vertex of a parallelogram? If this is, let's say, P, Q, R, S. So S will be P plus R minus Q. Fourth vertex of a parallelogram. I have taught this funda. Whenever there is a parallelogram P, Q, R, S, then the fourth vertex S is nothing but P plus R minus Q. Rectangle is a parallelogram after all. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Can you solve this question now? Should I solve it, or you can solve it now? Square it. Happy? Next session is of sequence and series only. Now solve this. So from minus 2 comma 0, tangents PQ and PR are drawn. This is 90. Of course, this will be latter septum only. Why? Because this is a point on directrix. And from this point, if you will draw, it will be a focal chord. And also due to symmetry, it will be focus only. So two circles each passing through focus of the parabola, one touching the parabola at Q and other touching the parabola at R are drawn. So these two circles are drawn. Then what? Which of the following points with respect to triangle PQR lie on the common chord of these two circles? Of course, this is the common chord only. This is very easy question. This is the common chord only. So of course, centroid will lie on this. Orthocenter will lie on this. This is an isosceles triangle. In center will all four of them. All four of them. It's an isosceles triangle. All four of them will lie on this. In an isosceles triangle, all these 4 points lie on this line. Done. This was very easy. These all questions are from either from black book or pink book or some book. coordinate geometry book. It's an isosceles triangle, right? All the questions I asked the team yesterday. Solve this now. Done. Tangents are drawn at those points on the parabola whose coordinate are in the ratio 4:1. So 2a t1 upon 2a t2 is 4 by 1. So t1 is 4t2. Locus of the point of intersection is given. Then you need to find k by 3. So point of intersection H is 4t1 t2 and k is 4 into t1 plus t2. How easy. 4 t1 which is 4 t2 square and k is 4 into 5 t2. So t2 is k by 20. So y square is 25x. So 25 by 3 box is the answer. 8. It was a joke. Really a joke. Solve this one now. Okay. So now what is happening? There is a parabola. Now there is a line which is cutting this parabola at 2 points, and normals at these 2 points meet on the normal at this another point. So if this is T1, this is T2, and this is T3. So we clearly know T1 plus T2 plus T3 should be 0. Okay. First of all, this point should satisfy parabola only. Let us substitute it here. Is it even satisfying? Kam by L whole square is equal to 4a Kam square by L square. So k square is equal to 4k. K is equal to 4. We don't even need to solve the question. If this point lies on the parabola, k is equal to 4. Ah, otherwise there is. Now let us do it by the stupid way, by which what he has done. Actually, the question setter did not realize that we can finish this question very smartly like this. Okay. But see, let me show you what the question wants us to do. So this is 280. So T3 is 283. 283 is Kam by L. Let me now solve it by the stupid approach. What he intends to make us do. So T3 is Km by 2L. This is T3. Okay. So T1 plus T2 should be minus Km by 2L. Wonderful. But we can also find T1 plus T2 using this line. Now this line equal to 1. That passes through 80 square comma 280 to put 80 square comma 280. Now it's a quadratic in T. So T1 plus T2 should be minus 2am upon Al, which is minus 2m 2l m 2m by L. So let's equate it now. Minus Km by 2L is equal to minus 2m by L. This is what he intends us to make us do. M to M cancel, L to L cancel, so K is equal to 4. That is why it has given us so much information. And while creating this question, he forgot that the point itself is such that if you put in the parabola, you will get K. He should have given K square in the X coordinate also. Then happy. Solve this now. Done. Let there be two parabolas with the same axis, focus of each being exterior to the other. Okay. And let us set them being 4 and 4b. So this is how they will be. Locus of the midpoints of this. Okay. We need a shape. Looks easy. So there is one parabola. It is y square equal to minus 4ax. And there is another parabola. Y square equal to 4b times some x, we need to take this point as some p comma 0, and note that p is a constant. Note that p is a constant. So these are the two parabolas we have taken. So we want to find locus of midpoint of these lines. How? So parametric form here will be p plus bt square comma 2bt, okay, and how to find this one? If this is 2bt, so 4b square t square, 4 to 4 cancel, 2bt, y coordinate should be 2bt and x should be minus b square t square by a. So this is h comma k. H is going to be midpoint. So p plus bt square minus b square t square by a by 2. This is h. And k will be 2bt. Now we have to eliminate and find locus. So t is k by 2b. We can get the answer in one step. X is equal to p plus t is k by 2b, right? So k square by 4b square. So k square by 2b square. K square by 4b square is gone. B square is gone. Minus k square by 4a. So this is it. So it looks like a parabola. It looks like a parabola if a is not equal to b, and if a is equal to b, if a is equal to b, then it's a straight line. This is how it should be. No, see, no. If a is equal to b, this will get cancelled, right? It will not be a parabola in that case. You saw how I took parametric form here, and y coordinate should remain same, so I'll take p2bt here, and putting y as 2bt, I'll get x. So I got this point also. And then I took the midpoint and found the locus of it. कर सकते थे y equal to k, we could have done. Solve this now. Now this is a very different doubt. Parabola intersect नहीं करेंगे कैसे पता लगा? ये कैसे पता लगा parabola intersect करेंगे? तो मैंने तो p अज्यूम कर लिया, अगर p की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आ जाएगी या कुछ हो जाएगा अपने आप इंटरसेक्ट कर जाएंगे। तुमने कैसे अज्यूम किया कि इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे ही करेंगे? I have taken p. Now depending on the value of p, if p becomes negative they will intersect. No, I don't think you should try them again. Should we try? Okay, give me 1 minute. Now see, just a second. Now see class, what is happening here? There are two chords OP and OQ, and circles on OP and OQ as diameter intersect in R. If theta 1 and theta 2 are, and phi are the angles made with the axis by the tangents at P and Q on the parabola. Okay, so let's connect theta 1. So P is some T1 and Q is some T2, and note that T1 is cot theta 1, T2 is cot theta 2. Okay, uh, and phi are the angles made by with the, and OR is this line. Okay, so this, the slope of OR is phi. Wonderful. Now since this is the diameter, so you can very well understand that this will be 90 and this will also be 90. So actually OR is perpendicular to PQ. Now what is the slope of PQ? What is the slope of PQ? 2 by T1 plus T2. It's a chord, right? So what is the slope of OR? So tan phi should be equal to minus of T1 plus T2 by 2. In other words, 2 minus 2 tan phi should be equal to cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2. So minus 2 tan phi, option A. Sameep, that will be a little lengthy, but what you are doing is also correct. From there also you can get the answer. Clear? Solve this one now. No, devil, even from I have done with that method also in the past. Even that method gives you the right answer. Yes, how to solve this one? So see, this is the parabola. It's congruent to x square equal to 1 by k into y. So we need to find lattice rectum of this parabola. So there is this line. This 2 comma 0 is the focus, and 2x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 is the line. So lattice rectum is distance from focus and twice of this. You know, no? Lattice rectum is twice of FD. So 12 by root 5. So 1 by k is equal to 12 by root 5. So k is root 5 by 12. Option A. Happy? No. 1 by k is 12 by root 5. K is root 5 by 12. We need k, right? Solve this one now. Yes, Daya Kumari. Use super tough questions in that. ध्रुव भाई गरीब कंपनी का क्यों नुकसान कर रहे हैं? Okay, so a tangent is drawn to this parabola at the point P whose abscissa x coordinate lies in the interval 1 to 4. X coordinate lies in the interval 1 to 4. Maximum area possible for the area of a triangle from the tangents at P. Tangent at P. Okay. Ordinate of P and x-axis. This area is what he is talking about. So this point is very simple. This is minus at square comma 0. So minus t square comma 0. This height will be 2t. So area is half 2t into minus t square with a mod. So which is t cube. Area comes out to be t cube. Actually no. This is the base. Base is t square plus t square, 2t square. Base will be 2t square. This is t square. Base will be 2t square. So it is 2t cube. And we have to maximize it. So put maximum value of t. So t square is between 1 and 4. So maximum value of t is 2. So put maximum value 8 to the 16. 16 is the answer. Put maximum value of t. Subtangent, focus or vertex. Subtangent never has any connection with focus or vertex. Thank you, man. Ran. But Mahima, you have to prove also, right, that the maximum value of x will give maximum area. There is no guarantee that maximum x should give maximum area. Or you can visualize. Maybe you can visualize. How did this name come? Man ran, आदमी भागा. Oh, man go, so man ran. सर मैं डिमोटिवेटेड फील करता हूँ जब फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाता है. मेरे what kind of problems are you facing? थोड़ा तो देखो इग्नोर करना पड़ेगा. You have to ignore some of those problems. Money problems. So achievers, guys, then this is the best. Uh, I should say this should be the best motivation for you. You are preparing for JEE, and I assume you are, let's say, in class. Your JEE is going to happen in next few months. So then this should be the biggest motivation. If there are money problems, then you simply have to make sure that you take these exams properly. Even if you crack NIT, right from the day you enter college, you will be able to start earning something for your family. Option C. Let's see. So this is the point of intersection of normals. Do you remember A T1 square plus T2 square plus T1 T2 plus 2 and K is minus A T1 T2 into T1 plus T2. Now T1 T2 is also minus 1. Now eliminate. You can do it. I'm ionic. Ionic? Iconic. You have iconic. So you are already studying from the best. So just focus on your studies for next 7-8 months. Everything will be okay. Solve this one now. Jatin starts thinking some sentence has come. Let me think of a joke. जतिन को ऐसा लगता है बस अब जोक कुछ ना कुछ मारना है मुझे जोक कोई ना कोई जोक होना चाहिए देयर शुड बी सम जोक I have money but I am poor. Everybody is poor. This is done. You should solve this question not by normal equation. You should solve it by sine distance. So from point P, if you move at distance, sine distance r at an angle of, since the slope of this line is 60 degree, so this point will be root 3 plus r cos 60 degree 0 plus r sine 60 degree, and then you put it here to get product of the roots. Option D. बेस्ट ऑफ लक जतिन भाई. जब तुम्हारा ये सपना साकार हो जाए तो बहुरानी को लेके आशीर्वाद लेने आ जाना. तो हम उसको उनको सारे टीचर लोग विल गिव आशीर्वाद. CGP 9 प्लस भवः, प्लेसमेंट अति उत्तम भवः. Now solve this. Nitesh, I don't think, guys, like the session, solve this question now. Yes, is this done? Yes, achievers. Normal to a parabola, this meets the curve again at Q. If PQ and the normal at Q again at Q, if PQ and the normal at Q make angle alpha and beta with the x-axis. Oh, okay, okay, great. So this is T2, this is T1. T2 is minus T1 minus 2 by T1. Also note that T2 is cot of angle made by this. So it will be minus tan alpha. Sorry, minus tan beta. This will become tan alpha. This will become tan alpha with plus. So I think tan alpha into tan alpha plus tan beta will be minus 2. Cool question. Some people might be actually trying to find the angle. Calculus practice sessions are going to start very soon. Solve this one. let's see. Locus of the foot of the perpendicular is drawn from the vertex on a variable tangent of the parabola. Yes. So take the variable tangent in the form of m. Whenever from a point you need locus of foot of perpendicular, you should take it in the form of n. So this is the tangent and we need locus of this point, which is h comma k. So h comma k lies on this line. So this all is wonderful. We just need to eliminate m. We can very easily eliminate m by using the fact that k minus 0 upon h minus 0 is minus 1 by m, because it should be perpendicular to this line. So m is minus h by k. So now put m as minus h by k. Done. What should we choose between data science, data CS? I assume data science is available with CS, so choose data science. Okay, guys. Now, Chutti, see you again in the sequence and series practice session, which will happen tomorrow. Take care.